So I'm installing my VEEDUBS seat covers and I'm following the instruction they put on YouTube, but I've got a bit of a tip for anybody who's got a T5 with one of these. It's very difficult to actually get behind there and actually tuck the seat that's provided behind there, as well as I can imagine actually doing the zip up. So what I've done is I've already installed this bit. This was quite easy. What I've done, I'm going to spin this camera. So what I have done is I've actually used this, what's this, a 16mm socket, and I've removed all of these, 1, 2, 3, all around. I had to remove these covers basically were here like this, and I used a flathead screwdriver to just pull them off, and that exposed one which was hidden, which is this one here. I undid that, and this lifts now. So I'm going to be able to get the clearance to get behind here now by pulling this forward, tuck the seat back. Just a tip for you guys if you've got a T5 and you're installing seat covers. Cheers.